Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I have something that I wanted to do an unboxing on. I'm getting ready to use a I guess a rechargeable hot glue gun, and I got it from Amazon, and it came with the glue gun. I don't know how many glue sticks and the charger, and I can't remember how much it was, but I will include the link. But this is the one I got. It's Ahhhhmazing cordless hot glue gun. So go ahead and take a picture of that. And I think it's charged, but we'll check it out, and I'm gonna show you what I'm getting ready to do with it. So let me take a glue stick out. Now I have a glue gun, and I haven't used a glue gun often. Truthfully, just didn't feel like being bothered with it, but I have used it recently, the one that has a cord on it. And because of where my desk is, I knew from using it that day that it was not going to work for me. And if there's a cordless one, it was going to be a better choice for me. So this is what I came up with. It was reasonably priced. So what I'm loving about it is it has a stand, so the tip doesn't hit the surface. I like that they shipped it with tape over the on-off button, and I'm guessing it's because it may be charged already. So let's see. There's the power light. There's the insert of the charger, the cord. Right? So let's see if it's on. Okay, got a blue light, so it has a charge. Let me see. Okay, so it's pushed in pretty good. I don't know, looks like there's some kind of stickiness on the tip already. Somebody might have used this. Is this a used gun? Man, I hope not. I haven't used this. It's off. It feels sticky. Oh, that's the soft. It's soft right here. It's got almost a rubber feel right there. Okay, I was really getting ready to get upset. All right, let's see how long it takes to be able to squeeze some out. And let me show you what I plan on doing while that heats up. So I have these ornaments that I cut with my laser, and these are the nativity ornaments that I'm gonna have several different themes, and I think I like these. I could have cut these angels out, you know, that part, but I decided to engrave it to see what it looks like. So these are stained, and I like them, but I think they needed something more. And then there's that one. Next time I'm going to do a deeper engrave. And then there's this one. And then there's this one. And this one. I love these. And I'll probably do them in 2D, 3D at some point. But right now, these were kind of a test, and I wanted to make sure that I would like them first at this size. So what I want to do is I want to add some greenery on it and put it right there. Right? That looks really cute. And then here, I think these are going to be so pretty once I get them on. And because hot glue dries fast, this is why I decided to pull it out. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. All right, let's see if this is ready. Again, I'm not very experienced using the hot glue gun. It's still on. I'm guessing it's just not hot enough yet. I'm not happy. Let me see if I can get the other one and see if it'll plug into my computer. Let's see. Gotta find it first. So it's not gonna plug into my computer, but it will plug. So let's see what happens. Plug it in. Over here. And I'll find a plug socket. Interesting. All right. This one's plugged in. Let's see how long that takes. It has a stand as well, but the cord, I'm not really loving the cord. So, let's see. Oh, this one's ready. Okay, so I was a little impatient, I guess. This one doesn't have an on-off switch. That's the problem with that. Yeah, I don't like this one. I think that's another reason why I got the cordless one, because there's no on-off switch for this one. And that's not safe. All right, so some glue came out on this. And I'm gonna do just a dab. And I know this stuff is hot. So let's see what happens. If I can get this to go down without burning myself. Okay. Uh-oh. Look at that. That's not cool at all. That is not cool at all. Maybe I waited too long. Okay. Stuck to my hand. I'm a little nervous about that. Alright, let's see. It's crooked. But it looks better than it did. Oh man. Well, this is my thing. This is me testing, right? Me testing. Put it down nice and even. Let's see what happens with the others. I'm not gonna judge just yet. Okay, put that down. Get rid of the strings. That to the side. One of the reasons why I decided to stay away from the glue gun for so long is because of the strings. And that is just me not wanting to deal with a whole lot of mess. So let's see. It's probably just a practice thing for me. And I'll learn it. You know, just like everything else, we have to have a learning curve. I have 4 sets of these ornaments, and I have an event in December. I probably should have put that down a little bit lower. I think I like these with the bows on them. This one especially, Christmas bell, right? All right, let's see. I think this was the first one I put on. Okay, it's crooked, but there it is. My 5 nativity ornaments that I used my cordless glue gun on. It didn't take long. I was just a little impatient. I'm going to be happy with that. This one's a little crooked, but I guess it makes it a little organic. So I have some strings that I want to put on here. Just figured I'd turn the camera on and let you guys see what I'm up to, what I'm working on. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope you're creating something amazing. If you are not a part of the Facebook group, we'd love to have you over there. I am going to leave the link to the Facebook group in the description below, so you can come over there and chat with us and share some of your stuff. If you're not a subscriber yet, I would love to have you as part of the community. And let's see, I got 2 more to do. I want you guys to give me your opinion. If you are working on some Christmas stuff, let me know what you're working on. Do you have an event coming up? My event is on December 8th. And I'm excited because it's a 2-day event, and it's an inside event. I don't know if you guys remember, if you have been part of this channel for a little while, you've heard me talking about making the tough decision to do only inside vending events. And this will be the first event since I made that decision. And mostly it's because it's just so hard to set up. A sister getting older, all right? I got a birthday coming up. I'll be a little older than I want to say right now, but oh wow, these are beautiful. Uh-oh, glue got on that one. Oops, I might have to redo that string. Look at these. Oh my God, they're so pretty. That was a little crooked. That's gonna get on my nerves. Let me do a whole different one. I got this whole pack from Amazon last year, and they're tags for card making. So I just took the 3rd one at the top and decided to cut it off right up here. And then now let's see, because I want this. My phone is going off. I want this to sit just like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here we go. Get off of there. I can smell the glue burning, the heat on this glue gun. That's better. Yeah, that's way better. All right. Oh, I'm so excited. I wasn't sure how these were going to turn out. So I have a couple of sets made, and I decided, I thought I had another set put up. Here they are. I was going to put them in a bag like this in a set of 5, but I think they're going to be prettier as individuals. Let me do it like that. And then just sell them in sets of 5. That way the bow doesn't get mashed, and you can see the pretty ornament. Let me know what you think, guys. All right, these are one of the sets of ornaments that I'll be taking to the event in December. All right, guys, go create something amazing. See you soon. Bye.